The effective and efficient information system in place at Bouverat-Pernat lets our motivated and skilled personnel implement the smart factory concept. We can take charge of your machining projects and can suggest innovative overall or multi-technology solutions. We can print out a 3D model as soon as we receive your order. This lets us set up and program our various inspection machines ahead of their use. Integrating your 3D drawing into our CAD/CAM system speeds up the programming and makes the simulation more reliable. The aim of the machining strategy is to produce a finished part in a single phase. A dedicated team works on the cutting parameters to enhance the responsiveness of the machining process when the production phase begins. Our automated tool storage system optimizes the tool management process. A tool presetting bench ensures precise tool setup without using up valuable production time. Our production flows are managed to ensure that no tasks are performed which do not deliver added value. Our mobile AGV robot transports parts and chips autonomously from the production machines to the processing equipment. Each machine is fitted with an innovative workshop management resource, a real-time production monitoring touch screen which displays all the data needed by our supervision personnel. Our R&D department continually improves our production resources by integrating various systems into it, such as high-pressure deburring. Through the use of auto-adaptive machines, inspection equipment dialogues with the production machine so that it can auto-correct and return to the center of the tolerance range. Our investment in innovative inspection resources ensures higher levels of reliability and secured traceability. For the most sensitive products, every part is inspected optically and packaged automatically as it leaves the machine. We develop innovative related services such as the off-site storage of customer stock combined with a platform tailored to joint working. This ensures fast responsiveness, secures the purchasing process and removes any capital cost for our customers.